Good morning. Today is Friday and I'm embarking on another sailing weekend with the West Coast Trailers Sailor Squadron. We are sailing the intercoastal waterways off of Clearwater, Florida. So that should be fun. I will keep you posted. All right, and after about 3 hours, we have arrived at the ramps in Clearwater. Here's the water, and here are the ramps where I will be launching. But I still have to get the boat ready, step up the mast, put the sail on, and put the supplies in the boat. And off we go. Keep you posted. And we are on the way. I see one of our sailing buddies coming directly at me. We're going to be camping on one of the spoil islands on the intercoastal waterway. And probably just sailing around, enjoying the weather and the wind and the music, of course. Sailing on the intercoastal. Beautiful weather, a little on the warm side, but we have good wind. Over here at the island, this is a spoil island off of the intercoastal waterways off of Clearwater, and there are many of these spoil islands on the intercoastal. So this one is pretty nice. It's got a little beach and it's protected from the wind, and it's got trees, shade, and it's a nice campsite area. Here is my boat, and here are some of the other boats.
two-mean woman just kept coming right after me. Yeah, the one thing I wonder, what was those mean woman's name? Was it Donna? Was it Pam? Yeah, some mean woman just kept coming right after me.
Well, I did.
So I went to sleep on the boat last night, and in the middle of the night, this happened. Not fun when you're sleeping and the boat starts tilting and you keep rolling. Today is Saturday and hardly any wind. We're just kind of staying in place.